Ungqongqoshe wezemidlalo uGayton Mckenzie uthi lo mdlali wenza ungajwayelekile ukudlala imidlalo engu-174.
What he's done, it is an achievement. That's why I said I'm stopping everything. I have to be here. And then when I was here, I was enjoying Banyana. You know, 174 caps. She went from a striker to a defender. She served the country with aplomb.
Noko became one of the best defenders this country's ever had. I mean, the first player to win a CAF award, the CAF Women's Player of the Year.
Le nkakha ithi akubanga uhambo olulula.
It wasn't an easy journey, but I'm really proud of myself. I come a long way with Banyana, and to be where Banyana it is today, I think I'm really proud of myself and the team. We achieved a lot of things together.
Lo mdlali kubhekwe ukuba bambe iqhaza ekuthuthukisweni kwebhola labesifazane kuleli. Kanti iBanyana inqobe lo mdlalo wokuncweka neMalawi ngamagoli 3-0.